In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Service Account credentials in n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, secure credential setup that you can reuse across your workflows to connect to Google services through a service account. Before we begin, make sure you have your service account details ready from your Google Cloud setup. You'll need items like the service account email and the private key, along with any configuration details your organization requires. Keep this information secure and never share it publicly. Let's get started inside n8n. On the left pane, click Personal. This takes you to your personal workspace and settings, where you control assets that are private to you, including credentials. From here, go to the Credentials tab. This is your centralized vault for storing connections to external services, and it's the safest place to manage them rather than hard-coding secrets anywhere else. Next, click the Create Credential button in the top right. You'll see a searchable list of credential types. In the search box, type Google Service Account API, then select it. Choosing the correct credential type ensures n8n knows exactly how to authenticate to Google on your behalf and how to securely store these details. Once selected, you'll see fields to fill in. Enter the necessary values from your Google Service account. You may see a region field. If it's present, choose the region that matches your organization's setup or leave it at the default if you're unsure. Add the service account email exactly as it appears in your Google Cloud console. For the private key, paste the full key content carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces or missing lines. If your configuration includes additional settings, such as project information or optional parameters, provide them according to your internal guidelines. The goal is to mirror your Google Service Account configuration accurately, so n8n can authenticate without issues. When everything looks correct, click Save. n8n will securely store the credential and make it available wherever you need to connect to Google services within your workflows. From this point, you can select this credential in any compatible Google node, keeping your automations consistent and secure. A quick recap: go to Personal, open the Credentials tab, create a new credential, search and select Google Service Account API. Enter your service account details exactly as provided by Google, and save. That's all there is to it. Keep your keys safe, restrict access appropriately, and you'll have a reliable foundation for building powerful, automated integrations with Google inside n8n.